Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see healthy and delicious 3 ingredients banana oatmeal pancakes. These can be prepared in a jiffy right in the blender. It is 1 batter with 2 recipes. This is a no-fail pancake recipe which requires no egg, no baking powder and no resting time and can be prepared perfectly sweetened as per your preference. Now let's see how to prepare. Take a mixer jar, add 1 cup of rolled oats, grind this to a fine powder. As shown in the video. Now take a banana, slice it into small pieces and take them in the mixer jar. Now add 1 cup of milk in the same jar, close the lid and grind this to a smooth batter. You can see the consistency of the batter in the video. It shouldn't be too thick nor too thin. At this stage, you can add any sweetener which is optional. Heat a pan, rub some butter or oil, take a ladle full of batter and gently drop it on the pan and spread it if you want it to be too thin. Now close the lid and cook on one side for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see small air bubbles. Now flip and cook on the other side. Now transfer this to a serving plate. Prepare as many pancakes as you wish. Arrange them one over the other. Drizzle some honey or agave or maple syrup. Top it with some bananas or fruits of your choice and serve them hot. For the next recipe, in the same batter, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix it well. This is the consistency of the batter. Heat the pan, rub some butter on it. Take a ladle full of batter, place it on the pan and spread it slightly. Close the lid and cook on one side for 2 to 3 minutes. Now flip and cook on the other side. Now transfer this to a plate. Prepare as many pancakes as you wish. Drizzle some honey or chocolate syrup and serve them hot. Isn't this a simple, healthy, quick and tasty pancake recipe? You can use 1 batter to prepare 2 recipes and they both taste yum. Do try these delicious pancakes for your kids and loved ones and let us know how it turns. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!